Hello and welcome to the first video in the section of Matplotlib. In this video, we'll learn about the basic terminologies and keywords that are used in Matplotlib and what Matplotlib is all about. So let us get started. First of all, Matplotlib is a Python plotting library that is used for making various visualizations while we are performing data analysis. So to work with Matplotlib, first of all we need to install that, and to do that you can run this command called pip install matplotlib. This command will install Matplotlib on your system. I already have Matplotlib installed on my system, so this will probably show requirement already satisfied. Now, to work with Matplotlib in your Jupyter notebook, we need to import it as other libraries. So what we'll do, we'll write, as you can see here, it says requirement already satisfied. Now here we can write import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now most of the matplotlib utilities lie under a submodule called pyplot, and we are importing that as the alias plt. So this is, we import the matplotlib. Now starting before, we'll also cover different type of plots or graphs that you can make with Matplotlib, like line chart, bar chart, scatter plot, pie chart, etc, etc. But for this video I'll just show you a simple line plot, and to plot a line we need some numerical values, so we will also import numpy as np. Now what we can do, a line has two axes, a plot has two axes, that is the horizontal and vertical axis. So the horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called the y-axis. So what we'll do, to plot the points on x-axis, I'll write x is equal to np dot array. I'll make a numpy array and I will, let's say, give 0, 6, and y will be again a numpy dot array, and here I'll give let's say 0, 80. So these are my 2 points on x and y axis. Now to make a simple line plot, we have a function called plot. So we can write plt and we can call this plot, and here we will pass our x-axis and y-axis. And then to finally show the plot, we have this function called plt.show. So as soon as I'll run this cell, I'll get this output. So this is x-axis, these are the 2 points, 0, 0 is here and 6, 80 is here. On the y-axis you can see we have coordinates starting from 0 to 80, and on the x-axis you can see we have coordinates starting from 0 to 6. Now we can perform various designing and other editing on this plot, like we can change the color of the line or we can change the pattern of the line and all that, but all that we'll see in the next video. As of now, this is just the introduction video. The important thing to remember is we'll be using Matplotlib for most of our data visualization part when we'll move to the practical or more sort of a complete case study or project analysis. This is the basic introduction for Matplotlib. The important thing for you to remember is that plt.plot function and plt.show functions, these are the functions that we use to plot our graphs in Matplotlib. I hope you are clear with this concept. In the next video, I'll show you different type of plots that we can make in Matplotlib and somewhat editing about those plots. Thank you.